What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about Nvidia, AMD, Soxs bear ETF and also SMH semi ETF. And now let's get right into Nvidia, which is down on Friday 1.52%, and finally we're seeing a pullback on Nvidia. And look at this, guys. This thing's still holding 267 as a support, and also it's trading above right here 265, holding on to blue line 5 SMA as a support. So if that is holding going into tomorrow, yes, we could see a bigger move on Nvidia, and then we could see Nvidia going all the way up to $289, and that is possible on Nvidia, and that is going to be a big resistance right here on Nvidia stock. Now to the downside, if you look at my screen, 267, and below that watch out for 265. 265 breaks, we could see a flush all the way down to right here, orange line 13 SMA, 250, and then 245, also a line with this white line 20 SMA. Now this is a massive run on Nvidia, so if you're thinking about buying Nvidia long term, definitely this is not the zone. We got so many gaps on bottom, and I think in next couple of weeks we could see Nvidia dropping down to 211 to at least close this gap down here. Not to mention we got this gap down here at 150, and that is going to be a long shot right now for Nvidia to come all the way down here at 150. It could happen here on Nvidia with bad earnings, but remember last earning, AI 96 times. So if that happens again, we're not going to see a big flush down on Nvidia, but this gap down here, possibly 232, and then one down here at 211 will get closed on Nvidia at some point. As of right now, Nvidia stock, if you're looking at it to day trade, watch out for the support to hold 265, 267, and if that holds, we're going to see another leg up all the way up to 289. But below 265, guys, Nvidia can come all the way down to 250, orange line 13 SMA, and then 245, also a big support on Nvidia. And now we're going to look at AMD. AMD stock is down 2.32% on Friday and now trading at 97.95 at the closing. Going into tomorrow on Monday, AMD can break 100. We could see a move all the way up to 103.59 to even 105. Now this upper Bollinger Band will allow the stock to move higher because it's moving up, sitting at 103.59. To the downside, we have strong support at 97, blue line 5 SMA, and looks like that is holding into closing on Friday. So if that holds, we're going to see 100 as a resistance, and above that 103.59 to even 105. Below 97, AMD can come all the way down to 91.86 to this orange line 13 SMA, and then $88 down here, another big support on AMD. And now we're going to look at SMH. So on SMH, it's down 1.58% on Friday, and now still trading close to 255, holding that as a support right here, holding on to this blue line 5 SMA. So going into tomorrow, guys, 254 to 255, that's gonna be a big level here on SMH, and if that holds, we're going to see a push back up to 260 to even 267. To the downside, below 254, we could see a drop all the way down to 248, orange line 13 SMA, and then watch out for 245, which is a big level of support on SMH. And now we're going to look at Soxs, the bear ETF. On Soxs, it's up Friday 5.20%, 90 cents after getting a beat down to 16.55, and that was a new 52-week low. But if you look at my screen, we could be forming a nice bottom here on Soxs, and semis could be topping out at this moment. Look at this, guys. Once again, getting a bounce back up, and now it's holding on to $18, which is a big level of support on Soxs, and it's holding into closing on Friday. So going into tomorrow, watch out for this $18 support, because if that holds, we could see a move up to 20, white line 20 SMA, and then big level at $21. And if we can get above 24, guys, we're going to see SOXS rocketing all the way up to 27.89 to close that gap on top, and that could be coming in next couple of weeks here on SOXS. But key level of support, watch $18, and below that we could be dropping down to 17, where this lower Bollinger Band is sitting. So thank you so much for watching, and that's all I have for you guys in this video.